Back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are doing this particular song, Gyatabruwa. Okay, so I'm basically playing the key of F. Okay, so I'm going to break down the chords for Gyatabruwa. Okay, so this song has been done by so many people, from the likes of Eternity, Mettle, name it. Like most of the popular guys have done this particular song. Can be able to play it. Okay, so basically I said I was playing the key of F. In the key of F, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. The cover that I'm doing was by Mettle. It was done in the key of B flat, but I'm not playing the key of B flat. Okay, I'm playing the key of F so that I can sing this particular song. To the 2, okay. Me cry to the 2, 4, then 3 to the 2. 4 over the 5. The 1. So that plays. I'm doing the 6, the 7, then the 1. Here you have an option. You can do So let's check the other part, which says okay, I don't actually know how to sing that part. Okay, so I'm going to use melodies. Okay, so let's check that part. Don't worry, I'm going to sing through so that you know where to place your chord. So I'm doing the Z. Okay, so I have the Z to be C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, G, B flat, C sharp, and E. Then basically I have the Do on the right, then La on the left. Then I have the G chord over the G. Okay, the bass note is G. So in the key of F, this will be like the Re, then over the F. Okay, but this invented. Okay, so then the F sus 2, okay, over the C. Then you resolve it back to the C. So one more time. Okay. Then basically the song will start to one over. Then the thing we did. So basically that's the chord progression or the chords they used to play this particular song. Okay, I will see you in another video. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye.